What's up, guys? Another YouTube video here. Just wanted to let you know the parts I got. Honestly, I think in like the next 4 months, it should be running. Cause I still need to order the fuel system part. But I got the other shit that I need to get this car ready. Alright, I got an OEM oil cooler for the GTS. There's brackets in there that hold it. And then, yeah, this is the, I forgot, it's like a resistor for something. I gotta look it up. But that's what you need. I got the igniter. See, I think that's it for this box. And then I talked to the guys one in the Facebook groups, and I was gonna buy it from him, but he suggested that I just get it for free, and I appreciate that. And yeah, I got a GTS cluster. I could use the SR5 one, but I wanted to get the GTS cluster because the red line. And yeah, a lot of new distributor cap. The one I got broke off. I think that the rest distributor is fine. I just gotta replace the cap and stuff. And then I bought a new this is the master slave cylinder or clutch cylinder, because on the SR5 it's on the other side and it doesn't reach, so you gotta make your own clutch line. That's what I'm gonna do later. And yeah, you know how I said I was gonna go carbureted. I changed my mind, bro. I found another deal where this whole GTS body harness was gonna be the same price, so I didn't feel like taking off my fuel injected intake on the 4ATE. So I was like, might as well just buy it. And I got the whole harness right here, so I'm gonna take a look at it. I know some things are missing, like the headlight switch and the radios. I can fix that. That's no problem to me. Well, yeah, let's open it. All right, we got the box open. So first off here, we got, this is so we got the engine harness. We got the front harness. Got the dash harness. It's like the biggest one. And you got the rear harness. I also don't know what this is. Yeah, alright. So engine harness, dash harness, yeah. The front engine harness for the headlights, and the rear harness, like the one that controls the taillights and the fuel pump in the back. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today, is swap these parts in and do it. Right now I'm putting in the OEM oil cooler. It didn't come with bolts, but I got some other bolts that I could use, but it'll work. And I'm gonna put it through this way so it'll be easier to tighten down the bolts.
Alright, here's the bottom. Got 7/16. Alright, there's there. Got one more there, but I guess I'll put a bolt in there. I don't feel like doing it, but fuck it.
That just happened. I fucking snapped a bolt. Buy quality fucking screws, man. I bought the cheapest one and they just break. And they work, but I don't know. I wish I didn't put anything there. Alright, but now we're gonna put in these.
You know, I realized these fucking cooling lines are not long enough. Or the oil cooling lines are not long enough. Or unless there's supposed to be like another attachment that connects both of these two lines to that one. I don't know, we'll see. I might have to research that. On to the next.
Alright guys, so I started taking off like random stuff like the cooling reservoir. I'm also gonna take off everything that's related to the SR5 because I'm not gonna need it for the GTS swap because I can't reuse it. And later down the video, also my 4AG had like an engine harness on it, but it was all cut, so I haven't took that off yet. So I started doing that, and yeah, I took off. I was gonna see if I could use these pieces if I needed it, but I just cut the whole thing out. It was just a pain. And then but yeah, after I took it out, I still was thinking, hey, might as well put the distributor cap on. And yeah, it fit nice, looked good. Everything goes good.
Alright guys, I'm pretty fucking tired. Man, I got the fenders out. We're gonna take the rest of this shit out when I do the inside of the fucking car. Yeah. Fenders over there. Alright. By the way, you probably saw in the time lapse where I put that new distributor cap. It looked good, to be honest. Yeah, I gotta speed this thing up before it turns dark. If I don't get to finish this, I have to come back next month because I don't live over here. I live over there on top of Austin, but yeah. I keep snapping bolts, bro. Down here by the bottom of the fender, the bolts that hold the fender fucking snap. So, I mean, I don't have any. I'm gonna buy a new fender anyway, but I'm gonna need it in the future, obviously, so I could mount that other fender. Cause the other fender's like really rusty and it just has a hole. But yeah, I gotta speed this up. Like I said, if I don't get all this shit done, then I'm gonna have to come back and do it again later. I haven't even put anything in yet. But yeah, I'm gonna do the inside. Whatever, let's go. Alright guys, it's almost getting dark. I'm about to take this dash out and then
all old. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this dash out and close up, and then, like I said, guys, I didn't have time, and I have to go back because, you know, I'm clearing already in the Army. I get out in 2 months, but I have to go back and go clear. And yeah, I'm gonna continue doing this. Alright guys, I got the dash out. So a lot of things are out of the car right now. I don't have time. Yesterday, I would have time. I was helping my brother's truck. We put a new tachometer on there. I got a new video on that coming up. But yeah, this is it. We're gonna have to take a break. I'm gonna have to clean up and then go at it again whenever I have more time. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really want to grow this channel, and trust me guys, I really like doing this, and I want to make this car keep, like, you know, driving another 30 years, you know. I don't think I'm ever going to sell this car. Don't quote me on that. Things fucking happen. But yeah, enjoy. You guys have a nice day. And I'll see you guys in the next video.